Batchley, editor of Baking and Snack Magazine. Today, I'm speaking with Pippa O'Shea, Education Manager of the American Bakers Association, to learn more about the new Cannabis Pavilion at the International Baking Industry Expo, which will be happening in Las Vegas this September. So, tell me a little bit about why IBIE decided to devote an entire pavilion to the cannabis bakery market for the 2022 show.
Sure. So cannabis sales in the U.S. amount to $25 billion, and sales have increased 40% over the last year. So this is a huge opportunity for our baking industry, but there's a steep learning curve to understanding cannabis products and how to enter the business. So that's why it's so important to have a central area where bakers and suppliers can learn about this together.
That's an incredible figure of how large this industry is expected to grow. What will people be able to find when they do visit the Cannabis Pavilion?
Sure. So we really wanted to make this space interactive and educational. There's so much curiosity when it comes to cannabis, and we want this to be a place where we can answer all your questions. So we have a great group of vendors who are experts in this very unique field, and they can help you make informed business decisions and teach you about the products. We also have daily free TED style talks, and those will be from 1 till 5 p.m. at the green stage area in the center of the pavilion.
So, what topics will be covered regarding cannabis bakery during those education sessions?
Sure, we have an incredible group of speakers. We have sessions on the product itself and its many forms, whether it's oil, butter, butter with two D's, or water soluble options. We will also discuss the health benefits, how to incorporate it into a bakery item, how to mask or enhance the taste and flavor of cannabis, and also how to safely source it. We also will have bakers discussing how they started their cannabis facility, how they staff it and manage it, which is very different from our typical bakery. And we will also cover the legal aspect of working with cannabis and have a market trends report.
That all sounds awesome, Pippa. Thank you so much for telling us more about this new addition to IBIE.
Sure, we hope you check it out and all the sessions on the IBIE app and come by the Cannabis Pavilion and see us there.